Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see how to make a text as a selectable text. Now when I long press on this text, we can select this text. So let us see how we can create this. Hello everyone, now we can make this text as a selectable text. So for this, just replace text widget with selectable text widget. Now hot reload the app. Now when I long press on this text, we are able to select this text. Now we have another one property which is show cursor. Make it as true. Now the cursor is visible. Now suppose we have number of lines in the paragraph and we want only 5. So for this we have another one property which is max line. Set it as 5. Now after this we have only 5 lines is visible and the rest of lines are scrollable. Now when I long press on this, the selection color is blue. We can also change this selection color. So for this, just grab this selectable text. Now just right click on it and go to the refactor and select wrap with widget and change the name of the widget is text selection theme. Now in text selection theme, we have to give the data. Now in data, just pass text selection theme data. Now in this, we have cursor color, selection color and selection handle color. Choose selection color. And in this selection color, give colors dot yellow. Hot reload the app. Now when I long press on the text, selection color has been changed.